Remember, stories sells, facts tells. Whenever you are building your business online, remember to share stories of your very first YouTube, Facebook, TikTok videos whereby you were dumbfounded, sweat were pouring down your face, your communication style or skill wasn't that great to keep your audience longer watching your live videos. Share those storytelling videos that will resonate. Your audience will relate to what you are experiencing. For example, if you do not know or you were not tech savvy, you do not know email automation responders, digital marketing, social media marketing, how to put yourself out in the marketplace as an attractive professional in your niche. Share those stories. Why? Stories sells.